Why do most people fail in life? It's not because they're not smart. It's not because they're not talented. It's because they waste their time on things that do not matter. They worry about other people's opinions. They chase approval, relationships, and meaningless distractions. They live for others and forget themselves. But great men, they do one thing differently. They focus on themselves, because in life, you either control your destiny or you become a slave to the world. And today I will teach you the Stoic rules of focus so you can win in life. The first rule of focus is simple: control your mind. In a world full of distractions, your mind is your most powerful weapon. But most people, they let their minds be controlled by everything except themselves. Social media tells them what to think. The news fills them with fear. Their emotions control their actions. But a Stoic man, he controls his thoughts. He controls his emotions. He controls his mind. Because once you control your mind, you control everything. Do you know why most people never reach their full potential? Because they care too much about what others think. They seek approval. They fear judgment. They waste their lives trying to impress people who don't even care about them. But a Stoic man, he is free. He does not need validation. He does not chase acceptance. He walks his own path without fear, because at the end of the day, other people's opinions do not matter. Only your own growth, discipline, and purpose do. Weak men are controlled by their emotions. They react in anger. They get distracted by pleasure. They let fear stop them. But a Stoic feels everything, but is controlled by nothing. He does not get angry because anger is weakness. He does not fear failure because failure is a lesson. He does not chase pleasure because pleasure is a trap. Instead, he controls his emotions and uses them as weapons for success. That is how you become unbreakable. Most people rely on motivation. They only work hard when they feel like it. They only take action when it's easy. But a Stoic, he does not wait for motivation. He builds discipline, because discipline is stronger than motivation. Discipline means you train even when you're tired. You work even when no one is watching. You push forward even when life is against you. And that is why disciplined men win. Because while others wait for motivation, a Stoic man is already ahead. Weak men chase women. Strong men chase purpose. Because here's the truth. The moment you start focusing on your mission, the right people will come to you naturally. But if you waste your time chasing women, partying, or trying to impress others, you will wake up one day with nothing. So focus on what matters. Build your mind, build your body, build your empire, and everything else, let it chase you. Most people run from pain. They want life to be easy, comfortable, effortless. But here's the truth. Comfort makes you weak. Pain makes you stronger. Every struggle builds you. Every hardship sharpens you. Every failure teaches you. So don't run from suffering. Embrace it. Use it. Let it make you unstoppable. Because the man who can endure the most is the man who will win. The world is full of distractions. Weak men chase women, pleasure, opinions. Strong men chase mastery, power, purpose. So ask yourself, will you be the man who wastes his life on nothing? Or will you be the man who focuses, grows, and dominates? The choice is yours. Focus on yourself, and you will win in life.